Okay, so good morning, friends. My purpose to start this channel is to create awareness and provide the proper knowledge of various technologies in computer science. And the whole purpose of this channel is we are not going to just teach you the various subjects of computer science. My purpose is like you have to apply those skills in your day-to-day life, such as you can do some practicals as well as you can create your applications and all kind of things. It will also help you to prepare for various interviews of various jobs. Along with it will help you to create your own startup if you have a good idea. So let's get started. So today is my first video, and I am going to start this channel with installing Anaconda Navigator, right? So open your favorite browser. In my case it's a Chrome. So search for Anaconda. So you will be redirected to the official website of anaconda.com. So click on that first link, and let's see why we are going to use Anaconda. So first of all, it's a groundbreaking research data science technology, and you can read here it's have a competitive edge and it's for a better world and all the things here mentioned. So first of all, you can click here and click on the download button. It will start downloading. In my case, I have already downloaded it, so I am not going to re-download that thing. So you can see here I have downloaded Anaconda Navigator already in my case. So let's take a brief look in why we are going to use Anaconda Navigator. So see, you can see here in open source, in resources and open source tab, it's used for various purposes. Like you can see here, it's packaged with some awesome tools like Jupyter Notebook and Pandas library for accessing and manipulating various types of data, tabular data in efficient manner. Along with it comes with some other libraries like SciPy, which is a library which includes all the statistical functions that data scientists most of the time needs. NumPy. You can see there are machine learning libraries like Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch and scikit-learn also included here. Some visualization libraries like Matplotlib, Bocage, Plotly, they are also here. Dashboarding libraries like Panel and Dash you can use for creating interactive dashboard for your project. Along with you can use image processing libraries like scikit-image, OpenCV and Pillow, which are the most famous libraries in Python for image processing. Along with you can see and read here it's used for scalable computing, data pipelines in ETL projects, and also none other less than natural language processing and neural networks. So you can see here NLTK, Genism and PyCY library here. So you can use those libraries for your various purposes. So that's why we are going to install Anaconda Navigator. So we did not need to install everything step by step. So what you need, you just click double click on the Anaconda Navigator, and it will prompt you and it will start installing the Anaconda Navigator. So right, okay, so here prompt come, so click on the run. I will minimize all other things meanwhile. So you can see here it's a 2021 edition, which is latest one, version 11, and my system is 64-bit Windows operating system. So that's why it's for 64-bit operating system, it will detect it automatically, right? So you can read the terms and condition here that most of the time you are not reading, but it's must. Okay, so click on the next. You have two suggestions here are first is you need to install just the recommended thing, and after that you have to install all the specific tools, but we are going with just the recommended thing. And you can see here you can install in a specific path in your system. So I am going to keep it same, and you also, unless and until you have a better reason to change it. So click on the next, and here it will ask to add the Anaconda in the path environment. So I will prefer it most of the time, but this time I am not going to do that. So click on the install, and it will start installing the Anaconda Navigator. So it will take some times. Next, so we need to just click on the next button, click on next, and it will prompt you to finish the installation. Here you can search Anaconda. It will prompt you. Once you click on it, it will open the Anaconda Navigator. It will take some time, but it will open fast. It's just opening the CLI of Conda. It will take some time to load first time. It depends on your system. Meanwhile, we can see we have Anaconda distribution in which we can various things. If you search Anaconda, prompted with like Anaconda prompt also. So you can use this prompt as command line. So let's wait unless the Anaconda will install in our system. So here Anaconda is open and you can see here various tools like Jupyter Notebook. You have PyCharm, Spider ID,